What's up guys, I have here beside me a 2022 Mitsubishi Xpandeer and we're going to be putting on sill plates on it. I'm Sky and you're watching JSL. Let's do this. Alright, putting in the sill plates will be very easy. It's just a few 3M tapes right here and it goes right inside your door sills. So for the front, just gonna position it here and make a little bit of adjustments. It fits. It should sit on its own naturally and just secure the 3M all around. Front end installed. Alright, so if you buy this from JSL Official, you're going to be getting a set of 4. So one piece for each side of the car. And now we're going to be installing the rears. It's going to be the same process. As you can see, it's the same 3M layout. And they do have similar moldings, so you can't mix them up. And just like the front, all you got to do is position it well. Just follow along the grooves of the car's body and it should sit on its own. And all you got to do is just secure the 3M all around. Alright guys, you see how easy it is for me to install those door sill plates. It takes you less than a minute and they actually have a bunch of benefits for having these plates on your car. So what they do is they actually protect the body of your car, especially that part, from scratches from your shoes, from getting in and out. Maybe you're dragging groceries in, maybe your kids are like taking them home from soccer practice or whatever. And basically it just adds a nice little touch to your car, as well as cosmetically makes it look good, has the Xpander brand on it, and basically it looks kind of OEM. So that's it, and make sure to check us out on JSL Official. Once again, I'm Sky, thanks for watching.